Wow, the poetry in me has been flowing, y'all. Flowing. Can I tell you? So, I have just been on this flow and it's been beautiful because all of the poetry is going to be featured in my upcoming memoir, Thriving Mindfully. And so I wanted to take some time out to share another poem that is coming through. It's called Stay Lit. Stay Lit, L I T. You are magnificent energy. Yes, you are magical, multi layered, and messy as fuck. That's what makes you so you. You are finding your way through joy, lipstick, wigs, and the cray cray. Some days are easier than others. Some days make you want to walk away. Stay, even when you're ready to run. We need you. Yes, we need all of you. Don't censor yourself for us. Go on and show up. Take up the entire space, the whole damn universe. It's time for you to show the fuck out. Be the real you. Light up wherever you are, because your vibration is a wondrous star. Stay lit, boo. Stay lit. Well, let me tell you, if any of that touched you in any kind of way and you're feeling, yes, I need to know more, I want more, I want to encourage you to take a moment out of your day to explore the Thriving Mindfully Academy. The Thriving Mindfully Academy is an online education platform and a membership site that I launched in the height of the pandemic in 2020. Now, let me tell you, I did that because I needed to create a safe place for my clients to come and to be nurtured, transformed, and celebrated as their real selves with my support and in a like-minded community. Now, if you're ready to be present, well, and the real you with my coaching support and in a safe place where you can be vulnerable, you can learn, you can grow, you can share, and be with like-minded people, click the link wherever you find this video. You can go directly to www.thrivingmindfully.net to learn. Let me slow down. It's www.thrivingmindfully.net. I think I said that, but let me just make sure. Thrivingmindfully.net. You can go there to learn more about what it means to be a Thriving Mindfully Academy member. Trust and know that when you're called to be a part of the community, you'll know it. You'll know it. And for those that are not aware of Thriving Mindfully, let me hip you to it. It is a heart-centered approach to being present, well, and the real you. That's it. That's it. It's a lifelong journey, and I'm here to help you navigate it by inspiring and empowering you. Inspiring and empowering. And it's empower, helping you tap into the power inside of you. Yes, 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 yes. So we use poetry and other modalities to help you navigate your journey, to help you nurture, transform, and celebrate yourself. We use 5 self-love languages: honor your body, affirm yourself, reclaim your time, serve yourself, and celebrate yourself, to tap into our heart's soul food. That's right. Our heart has so much that it wants to say to us, but it gets weighed down by stuff. And one of the ways to do that is to use a self-love language. Yeah, to use it. So if you want to know how to use your self-love languages, check out the Thriving Mindfully Academy. If you want to work with me, check out the Thriving Mindfully Academy. Hey, check it out. That's all I'm going to say. And until next time, may we all continue to embrace thriving mindfully in everything that we think, feel, say, and do. Thanks for tuning in. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.